You're
So,
listening
you
to El
have
Maestro
like
Speaks
extensive training
podcast.
on cinematography and everything.
Mm.
Wala ka bang, do you have a plan to like make a movie na featuring Igorot cultures or stories about our land, about the Igorot nation in the future?
Yeah, meron talaga. Meron.
Mhm.
I would like to plan to do that. Pero alam mo kasi hindi madaling gumawa.
Yeah. We tried.
Yung skill-wise, andyan yan. Walang problem yan. Something na until mamatay ako, nandyan na yan.
Nandiyan yan.
But, ang tinitignan ko kasi dyan is dalawa yung oras
Mhm.
at saka yung production. Yung kung may bibigay ba akong sufficient time for that. And yung production, pag sinabi kasi natin production, malaki yan na yan eh. Una, yung producer,
Mhm.
sino magpo-produce,
Yeah.
sinong director,
Yeah.
sinong cinematographer, yung crew,
Mhm.
lighting, audio man,
Malaki, no?
tapos actors.
Yeah.
And then aside from mapping that out, titignan mo pa yung budget mo daily.
Mhm. Yeah.
So, ang daming kino-consider sa area ni production. So, yung time, you should devote talaga solid na oras para yung pag-produce ng film would be like ilang araw lang.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the longer the days,
More money.
kaya yun yung tinitignan ko na.
At the same time, yung business side niya, no? How is the ROI? Parang kikita ba to? Or especially in this day and age na parang napakadali na lang. I'm just wondering kasi na-amaze din ako, tinitingnan ko sometimes. There are people just posting things na unpolished, like movies, yung mga ganun, and then kumikita. And parang doon natatalo yung mga, yung parang pulido yung trabaho.
Mainstream.
Yung mainstream. Parang marketing na yun.
Ang daming qualifications sa area na yan. Una, hindi talaga kumikita ang local films ngayon. Kaurit na Dumaganta de Julius. Sila yung mga sikat ngayon na directors, ano.
Right.
But I worked with Julius also as his cinematographer. And I know the budget.
Yeah.
And I've worked with many directors also. And I know the budget. The thing is, I know them as good directors, but none of them are good marketers.
So yun ang missing factor sa mga local ano natin.
Aminin damot lang. Yun yung sinasabi ko na parang kahapon lang. Isa sa mga naano ko na naman sa mga training kahapon dun sa mga bata. You cannot sell yourself. Huwag nyo nang pasukin ng negosyo. If you cannot sell yourself, huwag na nyo pasukin ng event. Because the first thing you should do is to sell yourself. If you cannot sell yourself, if you cannot sell your name, mamamatay kang poor kahit gaano ka kagaling. Ganun, it all goes with all artists, painters, directors, craftspeople, kahit gaano ka kagaling, if you cannot sell your craft, your product yourself, matay ka nga pobre.
Tama, marketing yung kulang na aspect dun eh. Kasi marami tayong mga local film producers, marami. Parang yung pinaka-basic na nakikita ko dito yung ni Nasendong, yung Buguso, The Last Headhunter is actually a good film.
Maganda.
Pero oo nga ngayon ko lang yung point out mo. Yung talagang marketing ang kulang.
Everyone can be creative.
Yeah.
Everyone can be, kasi nga visual ang mundo ngayon. Kaya everyone can be creative. Everyone has a mode or as a platform to publish. Yun, di ba?
Right, tama.
So, pwedeng instantly, pwede akong maging director. Bukas, gawa lang ako ng mini-film ko. Publish ko sa Facebook. Director na tawag nyo sa akin ngayon. Lahat kayo friends ko, director na ako. Pwedeng ganun.
May lalagay ka na rin sa portfolio.
Oo, pwedeng ganun. Ang lagi kong sinusunod na tanong doon is, doon sa ginawa ninyo, ilang araw kayong mabubuhay? O ilang araw kayong kakain? Or hanggang ilang araw kayong nabusog?
Tama.
So, sa akin, as a marketer, ang lagi kong tinitingnan muna is, if you do this, how will you market it? Are you sure you can market it? Or feeling mo lang susuportahan ka ng 1,000 friends mo sa Facebook? And then after that, ano yung ROI mo? Yung maglakad sa kalsada, tapos tawagin kang ganito, tawagin kang ganon. Until when?
Yeah.
Hindi ko naman kinu-question yung area na dihan kami, no, hindi yun eh. You can be an artist all your life. Pero, if you're not really sustainable as an artist, how can you maintain your craft? Kasi ano nga, aramidum next pag hindi mo nasusustain siya.
Yeah.
So, at the end of the day, it's just, you have to market yourself first before the things that you will do.
Going on that saying na you have to market yourself, how will you start it? Kung baguhan yung how will you start? Ano yung hows and how to do the steps niya?
Medyo mahirap yan kasi mahaba lecture yan. Pero, totoo lang, hindi rin kasi yan tinuturo na upfront.
Yeah.
Hindi yan kayang ituro na upfront. But there are ways and means on how you can market na pwede mo namang gawin. Total, naggumagawa ka na ng film. Okay, ito sa'yo ko lang sasabihin sa podcast ni Sir. But I will not, hindi ko to sinabi in open.
Okay.
Kasi I teach this one. Paid.
Yeah, that is a noble trait, you know.
Okay, ito yan. There are a lot of very good filmmakers, local. Pero hindi nila nakikita yung mga ibang pwede nilang pagbentahan yung craft nila.
Right.
Aminin natin walang pumupunta sa SM para manood ng film.
Yes.
Wala. Kahit nga sa Manila, wala pa rin manonood. But the thing is, there was this film that we made in 2015. And ang ginawa nung producer, pagkatapos namin, the film was Babaylan. Babaylan. We filmed it in Metro Manila, in Iloilo. Medyo madami rin yung locations. And ang bida rito sila, Derek Monasterio. Mainstream ng mga to. The thing is, nung sabi ko, saan natin ipapanood yan? Sa sinihan. No, kasi indie film nga
Yeah.
The budget was 3 million. Malaki pa rin, indie film lang.
3 million.
May plan na pala yung producer namin. He's a very good friend now. And then, tumulong pa actually ako dun sa paggawa na pagbenta. So, nagawa namin yung film. Nagkaroon kami ng screening sa SM ata.
Yeah.
Pumunta kami. So, after that, hindi na pinanood. Kasi sabi ng sinihan, walang manonood niyan. Pero nakaplano na pala. Everything was planned. The film was to be shown in educational institutions, sa schools.
So parang nakakontrata na or bibilhin ng DepEd yung or
hindi actually DepEd. Lahat ng school DepEd, pero ang talagang tinarget namin are private schools. May mga local schools din, pero iba yung usapan. Ganito kasi yan, and I know you know this one.
Yeah.
Sa school, may kino-collect ang private institutions na miscellaneous fee.
Yeah, right.
Part ng miscellaneous fee are visual fees. So, kunyari, ang private school na to nang kolekta ng 200 pesos na miscellaneous fee dun sa student.
Yeah.
Minsan, hindi nakikita kung saan ginagamit yung miscellaneous fee.
Yeah.
So, if there are 1,000 students in this school, kakausapin namin. Ang principal, this is our film. Hindi basta-basta yung artista, mainstream artista tong mga to. Kita naman, Nicky Valdez, Derek Monasterio, they're good names.
Marketing na yun.
Tapos, maganda yung pagkakagawa ng film. Ipapanood natin, bakit sabihin ng principal? Kasi ma'am, it's educational. They will see kung ano yung story ng mga babaylan. Tapos, so, sinabi namin yung storyline, ganito, sabi ng principal, pwede. So, ano yung usapan dyan? Ma'am, kami na pong bahala. Ipapanood natin doon sa gym ninyo. All you have to do is kunin nyo lahat ng students and then hindi naman sila magbabayad, ma'am, kasi kukunin natin sa miscellaneous fee nila. 70 per head. Ma'am, si students naman, di kahit 60 pesos per head. 60 pesos per head times 1,000 students. That's 60. So that's in one school. And then we marketed it many schools in the Philippines, including CCDC, including BCF, including UB.
That's how you do it.
So, na-market mo yung buong Pilipinas. Ang laki ng ROI ni producer.
Yeah.
Okay, see?
Mm.
Those things, nang kung ngayon baga kanyang amumba,
No.
o ngayon sabihin mo sa mga kaibigan natin na meron yun.
Mm.
That's something that they can explore. But
Yeah.
those things kasi, yung mga, marami pa actually.
Mm.
But those things, yung mga methods na ganun, is not open in public. Nga diskarte. Yung uray ng manuti film nga aramidan tayo dito eh.
Yeah.
Cordy, ang ganay dyan tayo lang. Kasi yung mga ganong diskarte, hindi natin tinitingnan. Ang tinitingnan natin, kapil tayo dyan YouTube.
CD.
Di ba dati ko CD?
Mm.
Makala ko 31,000 nga CD. Mahabali nun.
Mm.
Or i-post tayo dyan YouTube. Isupay no, YouTube partner tayo. Or something ganun nga. Fixated tayo ijay. Nga adumat gayam actually the forms of marketing.
Forms of marketing. Yeah. We did not, ayun ang kulang eh. They did not explore the other forms of marketing.
Because they do not know.
Ang ano is, I'm embarrassed to admit that we had one movie, and you can actually search it on YouTube.
Nya di.
Yeah, The Tour, a Groot movie.
Buyak man.
It was produced by yung kasama niyo nagpo-photograph si Jomar Sakpa. I think you know him.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. It was produced by him and then that was 2015 also. 2016. And then sinubukan iano sa through VCD, DVD. Hindi masyado kasi during that time 2017 pasikat na yung social media. And then ayun, with his permission ko na kanya post ko na lang i YouTube ko. Kanya na back in 2017 din yata. Sige lang. Ano. Pinost ko. Parang yun lang, parang na-offer lang na free na hindi na maximize. And then another marketing na ginawa is parang film showing at the same time concert ngayon. Na
yun yung common natin.
Yun yung common na parang hindi na rin na.
Yung may sagayam Jane Bagak tatay is hindi namin nirelease sa public. The producer was very careful not to give a copy to me.
Parang yun ano.
Yeah. Parang we have to maximize first the marketing nationwide. After 5 years, tsaka lang natin i-release in public. Kasi yun yung very crucial nga once gamin nga rin more payment. Sino nang manonood kung available na sa
free market.
Kaya the thing is if we create a movie, that movie kung ganun ang lakaran na gusto natin, it should be something na educational para pasok sa schools. Second, yung talagang very strict tayo na walang ibang copy kung hindi sa producer lang. So that we can market it even if the principal will say na pwede bang humingi ng copy? Ma'am, ito po yung synopsis. And then, ito po yung, kunyari, 2 to 3 minutes na trailer. Ayan na. You do not give a whole copy. Kasi if you do that, chances are, mawawalan ka ng...
So, it's basically, while you are brainstorming kung ano yung gagawin yung movie, while you are writing the script, you're also thinking of how you are going to market it, and how you are going to market it will affect the story.
Precisely. Kung siya baliktad actually. Before ka magkaroon ng product, minamarket mo na. Sorry pero ganun dapat. For real marketers, you should already create the market for your upcoming product. For like regular people, you create the product and find a market for it. Baliktad eh. Dapat amumpay di pag-market. For example, yung producer ko na yan. Market niya at schools. Before niya ginawa yung alam na niya kung saan niya ibebenta, na map up na niya yung gagawin niya before Just imagine kung baliktad. Ginawa muna namin yung film. Tsaka niya tinignan kung saan niya i-market. Sakit ng ulo.
Walang kasiguruhan.
Ganun yan. These things you learn only from experience.
And we are glad because you're sharing it to us.
Oo naman.
And like I said,
only in this podcast. Nagoyo ako nito sa sarap ng kwentuhan eh.